I'm fine. Just running nose, but in general, feeling okay.
Yeah, cheers. Oh, video.
Kind of interesting story, but a little bit sad story, I would say. So there is a guy, he's outside of the family mart, and he said that he's hungry, and he asked me to get food for him. So I'm going to have tea and some chicken and rice. Dan dua dada dan satu nasi. Dua dada, satu nasi. Makasih. Here you go, bro. Hop. Yep. Have a good day. Always help someone who is in need. Fun fact about me, 95% of my breakfasts are same. Same food, same groceries, same amount. Like 6 or 7 days a week, sometimes even 7 days a week. And today I'm gonna show you my breakfast. Some eggs here, sausages with garlic, cherry tomatoes, sweet yellow pepper, baked beans in tomato sauce, and blueberry and spinach, but this one is for protein shake. It's like around $12 per 200 grams of blueberries. So, at this point you might have two pretty reasonable questions. First question is why I don't eat out and always cook myself at home. Let me explain you why with help of this. We have two eating options, rather eating out or eating home. And we have also two options, eat healthy food or unhealthy food. Definitely we don't want to eat unhealthy, but let's check both options. So let's define it by price. So eating out and eating healthy here in Jakarta, it's pretty expensive. And looking at how much I eat, it's like 6 eggs, 2 sausages, vegetables, cheese, beans, so a lot. So it will be like very expensive eating out and eating healthy. Eating out and eating unhealthy, that's actually very cheap, super cheap. Let's talk about eating home. Eating home and eating healthy, it's actually not super cheap, but not super expensive, like compared if I eat healthy and out. So it's some kind of average. And eating home and eating unhealthy, it's still cheap. Eating home means that I need to invest some time for getting groceries, for preparing food, but still I can save some money and eat healthy food. So my choice is something average. Not too expensive, a little bit of time consuming, but eating healthy. And by the way, I really enjoy cooking breakfast. So it's my like kind of meditation time. Question number 2, why I eat same breakfast from day to day. If I really like something, like really enjoy. I can do it every day, like doing vlog, doing my work, eat same breakfast every day. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'm not going to film myself eating food because it's disgusting. If you want recipe for my breakfast, thumbs up, put something in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you! I'm going for a haircut. Yep. Bike.
Bye.
Oh.
Okay.